Hi, I'm Keith Sorem with Sorem & Associates, and this is the Real Estate Market Report for April 2014 for Burbank, California. The big news, I think, in condominiums and townhomes, this is going to be part one, is that values are up, and they're up significantly, 19% year on year. However, that's down from last month. Last month, the year-on-year increase was 20%. Is this the beginning of a shift in the condominium market? That remains to be seen. But here are some key indicators to look at. We had 28 new listings come on the market, down from 33 last month, but up from 15 last April. People are definitely taking advantage of the higher values and they're cashing out. What we're seeing is that the pending ratio, though, is down slightly, and that's the percentage of properties that have accepted offers. It went down from 89.2%, so it's up from March, 66, but compared to last April, year on year, the pending ratio was 126.7%. That's a big shift. And one particular indicator changing on its own may not be a trend. As I say, we're looking at all the different indicators, and that's why we're sharing them with you right now. We had 18 properties sell, down from 22 in April, but up from 16 last year. The pending ratio, though, has declined for the fourth time in the last 4 months. And so that means if the number of closed sales are decreasing, that could be another indicator. So that's two indicators the market could be shifting. Pending sales dropping also affects median sale price. Declined 419 from it declined to 416 from 419K in March. So it's up year on year from 350,000 last year, but it's down from March. Another way we measure value is the average price per square foot, and that works for condominiums. It's a good valid measurement. It increased for the peak in the last 12 months to $349 a square foot, compared to $328 in March, and last year it was $293. Usually, though, markets run in cycles, so the fact it's the highest in 12 months, it's an increase of 19.1%, but that's less than the increase last month. In March, it was 20.4. That's the third indicator the market could be softening. So months of inventory has also increased from 1.5 months to 1.6. That's compared to only 0.9 months a year ago. So we have four indicators that make us think it's possible that the condominium townhome market is shifting. Single family homes, we're definitely in a new phase. We've had increases of 20 to 30% for the last couple months. Values have gone up a lot, but it looks to me like it's the slowest rate of increase in the last 4 months. Here's the details. We had 56 new listings come on the market. People putting their properties on because they can get what they need, up from 46 in March, and down, though, from 81 last April. New pending sales are about even, but the key ratio, the pending ratio, dropped from 104.3% in March to 87.5%. It's up from last year. Last year it was 69%. But that gives us two indicators so far. The market in the single family division is going to be adjusting. We had 52 homes that sold. That's up from last month, 51. But when the pending ratio slows down, that means there's going to be fewer closed sales in the next month or two. That's why we call it a forward-looking indicator. Fewer homes in escrow now means fewer sold listings in the future. Values are beginning to taper off. We've had these huge increases of 20 to 30% over the last 3 or 4 or 5 months, year on year, only 1.7%. It actually is down from March. The median sale price in April is $610,000. That's down from $635,000. But compared to a year ago, it was $600,000. So that's a very small increase. It's the fourth month in a row that the year-on-year gains have decreased. That's the third indicator that we could be seeing a shift in the single-family market. Months of inventory is remaining steady at 1.2 months versus only 1.4 months last month. The main thing I think to understand is below, say, 750, it's probably still a pretty competitive market. Above 750, especially a million, you're going to see a lot more inventory. So if you're thinking of selling, it's real important that you get ahead of the game plan. We put together something where we can maximize the results and make sure you have a smooth transition to your new home. So click on the area of our website that talks about selling your home. If you're thinking of buying, interest rates are still historically low. So yes, I realize it's probably frustrating, but if you're tired of paying rent, then buying definitely is something you want to look at. feel free to call us, 888-284-2056, or if you prefer, visit our website, beautifulverdugohomes.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.